Hello guys, today we are going to do the unboxing and review of Butterfly Wave Multi Cooker. It's a 1.2 liter multi cooker with 1 year warranty from the brand Butterfly. So this is the features of the multi cooker. Compared to a normal kettle in which we can only boil water, in this multi cooker you can do much more than that. So here if you see, the pricing shown in here is 1718, but in Amazon when the offer is there you can get it for 9999, and the validity is going on. Sometimes you can even get it for 800 rupees. So without wasting any more time, let's unbox the product. So after opening the product, the first thing you will see is the glass lid of the multi cooker. So this is a glass lid which they provide. We'll see how it is. So the quality look really nice, and it's made up of glass, and there is a small nozzle where the steam comes out when you are boiling rice and all. So the next thing what you see below that is the kettle itself. So this is the kettle, but remove it slowly from the bag. Everything is packed really nicely, and also you can find a user manual. So if you doesn't know how to use it, you need instructions, you can just see the user manual. So now just see what and all is inside this. So inside the kettle they will keep the base of the kettle, which supplies 600 watts of electricity for the kettle to boil. So there's a brand multi-resistant 1.2 liter and 600 watts. So compared to normal kettles which use almost 1000 watts, this one saves much more electricity and is ideal for people who are staying in rooms or who is staying in apartments. So the electricity bill will also be less. So we'll see. So the length of the wire is, I think it's about 1.5 meters, which is really good. Some they will provide really small wires, so for that reason it's really good. So again inside the kettle if you see, we can see a white color rack which holds the eggs when it's boiling. You can keep the eggs here and put water, and you can also boiling the eggs. It's really good. And inside again you can see a grill. I think it is used for like raising that plastic rack, because directly if it's contact with the base it will melt off. So many things are there with the kettle, so it's really good they are providing this. And now let's go and see the kettle itself. So when we see the kettle, it looks really nice. Actually the finishing is really good. So now in the bottom down part if you see, you can see a knob which controls the temperature of it, and the other side you can see a LED. So unlike normal kettles you can control the temperature by the preference of the things which you cook. And here also down you can see butterfly logo and what is the watt of it, and the liter, it's 1.2 liter. And here you can see the knob quality is also really nice. You can increase or decrease the temperature however the way you want. Now we'll just keep the kettle on its base plate and see how it looks. So it's perfectly fitting, and we'll also put the lid and see. So this is how the kettle looks when it's all set up. It looks really good. Now we'll just pour a little bit of water and switch on the kettle so that you can see how the things work. So as you can see guys, I have put some water for boiling in this kettle, and this is how it looks when it's boiling. So you can adjust the temperature according to your wish, and when it reaches the temperature it automatically cut off the electricity, so you doesn't have to worry about overheating or burning the kettle and the food. So that's it guys, I hope you guys like the video and it helped you people. If you like it, please like and subscribe, it helps a lot. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.